industrial facilities where ambient sound regularly exceeds 95 decibels, traditional alarms don't stand a chance. Steel mills, power plants, food packaging facilities, these are complex, high decibel environments filled with motion, risk, and constant noise. Hearing protection is mandatory, attention is divided, and time to respond is limited. The challenge isn't just getting a signal out, it's making sure it's heard, seen, and understood the moment it matters. According to OSHA 1910.95 and NIOSH standards, once sound exceeds 95 decibels, you need more than just PPE. You need communication systems engineered for clarity in the chaos. Step 1. Understand the noise. Start by mapping your environment. Segment your zones. Log sound levels during peak operation. Identify specific hazards, hydraulic presses, arc furnaces, conveyors, forklifts. Know where your people move and what surrounds them. This is going to give you the context to match the right signal to the right message, in the right place. Step 2. Break through the noise. There are two ways to deliver a signal in a loud facility. One is to overpower it. OSHA recommends signals be at least 5 decibels above background noise. But sound decays over distance, so a 100 decibel alarm may be useless 40 feet away. That's why large areas require distributed sounders, not just a single device. The other way is to contrast it. A high-pitched tone stands out in a low-frequency environment. A unique pattern like Tomar's yow tone might cut through better than just a generic beep. Matching tone to environment is how you create signal clarity, not just volume. Products like Tomar's electronic tone generators with selectable frequency modes allow facilities to tailor their signals to match and overcome specific acoustic challenges. Step 3. Match the message. Evacuation should never be confused with pause for maintenance. That's where signal-to-message mapping comes in. Emergency evacuation, pair a high decibel siren with a red rotating beacon. Chemical hazard, use a magenta strobe and a distinct voice alert. Maintenance required, amber strobe with a preparatory tone. ANSI Z535 and OSHA 1910.145 both emphasize standardization in visual and audible communication. The goal is zero guesswork. Step 4. Make it visual. In many zones, sound isn't enough. When earplugs are in and machines are running, light becomes your only way in. That's why modern systems rely heavily on stack lights, beacons, and strobes. Color-coded alerts give workers visual cues that they can instantly act on, even in haze, steam, or low visibility. Tomar's LED microstack and the 490S-T series are built for these use cases. Modular, PLC compatible, and compliant with ISO and NFPA visibility standards. Step 5. Layer for impact. The most effective systems use sound and light together. A pulsed high-frequency tone, a 360 red strobe, and maybe a voice announcement. This kind of combination isn't overkill, it's coverage. And systems like Tomar's integrated tone and strobe platforms make it easy to build layered and intuitive alerts without overcomplicating the design. Step 6. Signal only where it's needed. Blanket alarms lead to panic, or worse, desensitization. Zone systems help isolate alerts where the risk actually exists. Using solutions like MicroStrobe or MicroAlert, facilities can localize alerts by floor, area, or even individual machines, reducing downtime and unnecessary evacuations. Step 7. Placement is everything. Even the best device fails. If it's behind a forklift rack or silenced by a nearby wall, distribute smaller units rather than relying on one oversized horn. Mount lights above sightlines. Test visibility and audibility across workstations. Install strobes at entrances to catch workers before they even step into active zones. NFPA 72 and ISO 11429 both reinforce that placement isn't secondary, it's integral. Step 8. Design for change. Facilities evolve, lines are reconfigured, new machinery gets installed. Your signaling system should be able to keep up. Tomar's modular designs let teams swap tone modules, expand stacks, and integrate voice alerts, or plug into newer PLCs without starting over. It's how safety systems stay relevant over time. Step 9. Inspect and maintain. No alert is worse than the one that never activates. Build your signaling systems into safety audits. Test volume, verify strobe visibility, confirm zone isolation, and most importantly, train your team. A signal only works if people know what it means and how to respond. In high-noise environments, signaling isn't optional. It's operational safety in its most urgent form. With the right strategy, the right standards, and the right systems, you can build alerts that reach your team when it counts, clearly, instantly, reliably. And if you need support selecting tones, mapping zones, or building compliance into your infrastructure, there are tools and people who can help. If you'd like to learn more, reach out to us directly, or you can visit us at industrial.tomar.com. Thanks for watching.